My name is Mumpuluki Khautole and I'm BTC's data center manager. BTC recently invested in constructing and certifying a facility through Uptime Institute, which is the global data center certifying body. BTC's facility is located on your way to Lobatse, on the outskirts of Gaborone. The BTC data center sits at the heart of BTC's digital transformation journey. The facility in itself is Tier 2 certified, meaning all the components are redundant. They are sitting in an N+1 configuration. For protection, BTC has put up 2 diesel tanks, which are both 5,000 liters, 2 gensets, which are essentially protection or backup for power failures, an ATS room or automatic transfer switching room, which is essentially responsible for determining where power should be coming from. Should there be a power cut, a power quality drop, any type of power quality drop in the form of voltage, over voltage, under voltage, over frequency, under frequency, and any form, as mentioned, of power quality drops, the ATS room will essentially switch from mains to the 2 diesel tanks. The knock room essentially is where our operators sit to perform any type of operations, including our customers who have co-located within the facility. The data center is kitted with state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that all equipment is protected, all equipment operates efficiently, all equipment is safeguarded with all the best security amenities you may find in a facility. For all customers that co-locate, for all customers that essentially would want to bring their tin or equipment into our facility, they are issued, of course, with an access card, which essentially opens the front door, the door to the equipment room, and the door into the aisle. Over and above that, the access card opens the customer's issued cage or rack. It does not open any other rack except for the customer's issued cage or rack, which is essentially what they would have procured when they co-locate into the facility. Through the facility, BTC offers co-location services and cloud services. Co-location services essentially are tailor-made to answer customers' data center headaches. This is to say, how we aim to take away pain points such as investment in building a data center or building a server room. We all know how expensive a server room is. We all know how expensive it is to kit a server room, to put all fire suppression equipment, cooling equipment, access control equipment. All of that is essentially expensive. Over and above getting the right people for the right job to ensure that the facility in itself operates optimally, the air cooling resources, the power resources in human form. Of course, organizations would think around getting facility people as well as ICT people, which essentially balloons said wage bills for customers. Over and above co-location services, BTC offers cloud services. The BTC virtual data center essentially is infrastructure as a service, which is a cloud deployment method. Infrastructure as a service essentially offers our customers, or through the infrastructure as a service, we essentially offer our customers elastic cloud servers or virtual machines in the cloud. The elasticity of these virtual machines are seen in the scaling up and scaling down of CPU and memory storage. Through the VDC, there is complete network isolation of your workloads from every other tenant that is sitting within the BTC cloud. As a tenant owner or as a tenant customer in the BTC cloud, you essentially have access to a management console that allows you to spin up or create your own virtual machine, to spin up and create your own storage utilities, to spin up and create your own virtual private cloud, your own subnets, and any other cloud amenity that you may need. Ladies and gentlemen, the BTC VDC offering is our crown jewel in the cloud. It is where customers are able to create and set up their own workloads. They are able to wrap up those workloads and create what is known as rapid deployment images for all rapid deployments. For all customers that are looking to create images out of their workloads, we all know creating production, UAT, and acceptance is very difficult in this day and age. But through the VDC offering, you are able to set up all the different environments that you need. You are able to clone said workloads without disrupting your services and create the necessary production, UAT, development, and acceptance for all your development needs. For all those customers that are looking for backup services, BTC is here to answer your call. BTC offers backup as a service in the cloud for all your workloads that are sitting in the VDC offering. For all customers that essentially have invested on tin in their own facilities and looking for storage and backup services, BTC is here to answer your call as well. For through the backup as a service offering, we are able to back up your workloads that are sitting physically on your data center that have been virtualized using any type of hypervisor. The backup solution in itself is application aware. You can even back up your Exchange, your databases, your Active Directory, and any other pronounced set of applications that are known in the market. Through the BTC data center, we offer storage as a service for all your storage needs. Storage needs may arise, of course, in the cloud, may arise, of course, in your own facilities, where we endeavor to answer all your storage needs. We all know the recent boom in data has resulted in storage needs arising. We offer storage as a service to answer all those needs in the cloud and in your data center. Through the storage as a service offering, we are able to extend and expand your current storage for any need. Should you run out of backup storage using your own backup solution, you can use BTC storage as a service to increase the capacity that you are using to back up using your own backup utility. Through the BTC data center, we've endeavored to offer consultancy services where we look at your current investment. We run assessment utility to determine how we can assist and facilitate your journey to the cloud. We look at things such as the current workloads that you have, the operating systems and applications that you are currently hosting in your environment, the life cycle of your tin or server equipment, ICT equipment, storage equipment, network equipment, and advise accordingly, looking at the type of investment that you would have put up in your own environment. Through BTC, we look into migrating our customers from their current investment or current dilapidated equipment into the world-class BTC VDC, thereby taking away the headache of investing on tin, renewing on ICT physical infrastructure, and taking away the requirement to acquire and renew licenses from our customers. That is all that we offer within the BTC data center. Thank you.
BTC, live connected.